in previous video we have designed Amazon site up to this point, and today we are going to design two more sections of it, that is this section and this section. Both these sections are similar. First of all, what we have to do, first of all we have to take a div. I'll be naming as image gallery, and this gray part, we can see its background, this gray part, it is holding this gray part, and within this gray part I will be taking one more div to which I'll be naming imgs, that is this white part div. imgs div will be holding this white section, and within that imgs div we are going to create one div to hold this text, and when this div finishes we are going to create one more div to hold these images. So for that, here I'm starting a div to which I'm assigning a class img image gallery. Now this is the whole div. Now within this image gallery I'm creating one more div, imgs. I'm assigning a class imgs to it. Now here we'll be designing two more classes after this box class. First class we have to design is dot img image gallery, to which we are giving a width of 100%. Background color we are choosing is, we have to give gray, which we have given earlier, so it is RGB 217. So this is going to give us that gray. Now we have to design second class, that is imgs. Now we have to set its width. Here I'm setting its width to be 100%. Background color should be white. And height, here I'm giving is 350 pixel. Save and go live. So we have got our div. Now we have to give margins here. So here I'm giving to this div, which is holding that white background, I'm giving margin left to be 25 pixel, margin right to be 25 pixel, and margin bottom to be 25 pixel. Save. So this is our div in which we have to put all our images. First thing we have to put in it is this text. So we'll be putting this div in a this text in a different div within imgs. So here this is our imgs div. Here I'm creating one more div class equals to, I'm naming it as text. So this is our class, and here we have to write the text in between h2 tag. So here I'm copying this text. So this is our text in between h2, and after that we have to give this hyperlink. So here we have to give, after this h2 closes, and here we have to put text as all offers. Save, and right now it is looking like this. So this is our text and this is our link. Now we have to bring this text here and we have to put this in same line. So here what we can do here within the text we have to put display to flex. Here we have to give style equals to, within double quotes, display property to flex, justify content to center, and align items to center. Save, and right now it is looking like this. So it is in center. Now we have to give a little space here and we have to remove this underline. So what we can do here is, here we have to give style equals to text decoration to none, and we need a space between this link and text, so margin left here we are giving is 20 per pixel. Save, and refresh. So it has got margin is removed, it has given a margin and underline is removed. Now we need to give some upper margin, so here we are giving margin top to 10 pixel. Save, and right now it is looking like this. So our this part is complete. Now we have to put these images. So to put these images we have to create one more div in which we have to put all these images. So here I'm creating one more div. So here it is within IMGS div we are creating one more div. So div class equals to, here I'm putting the name d1, and within this div we have to give all the images. So for to give images we have img src equals to, here name of my image is m.jpg. Save, and it is looking like this. So this is our image which is too big. Now we have to set its width and height. So here I'm giving style equals to, here we are setting its width to 200 pixel. Save. So its width is 200 pixel. Now we are going to give other images. Here we have to put 4 images. First image is m.jpg, second is n, o, and p. Save, and so we have got all the 4 images. Now here we can see that all the images are very close. So we can use display property, flex property, to put proper spacing in between them and to give proper vertical alignment to them. So here in the parent div, that is this d1, style equals to, within double quotes, display to flex, justify content to space evenly, and align items to center. Items to center. Save and refresh. So we have got this thing. Now we have to give top margin because it is coming very close to our text. So here we can give margin top, and here we are giving a margin of 30 pixel. Save. That has got a margin. Now here we can see that its outside structure is completely distorted. So what we can do here is, first of all, here in IMGS, in place of 25 pixel of bottom margin, we are putting it 20 pixel. Save. And in IMG gallery, here we have to put display to flex. We want to put this box, white box, in between that gray box. So display property to flex, and justify content to space evenly. Save, and so we can see that this is our box. Now next we have to create this box. So for this box also, using same classes IMG gallery and IMGS, what we have to do here in body section is, we have to give one more div. After this div, this is this IMG gallery div, we have to start one more div. Class equals to, same thing we have to give, same class, that is IMG gallery, and within this we have to give one more div, to which we'll be assigning a class IMGS. Now here first of all we have to design this topmost section, that is this text, and we are going to write this text in div. So here I'm giving div class equals to, here we are putting class D2, and here we have to copy paste this text. In between h2 tag. So this is our text, and after this text we have to give anchor tag. And here we have to put see all offers. Save, and right now it is looking like this. Now we have to bring it in center, plus we have to put this text in same line. So same thing we have to do. Here we have given display, so we have to give here I'm changing the name of class as text because we put text here, and here will be copying this. Save and refresh. Now we have to remove underline, and we have to give space in between this text and this link. So again we have to do same thing. which we have done earlier. So here we are copying the style tag which we give an anchor tag, and we have to put it with our anchor tag. Next we have to put images. Those images will come in a div, and in that div we are going to give 5 images, and we'll declare that display property to flex to bring them in a single line. So here, when this div finishes, we are going to start one more div. Class equals to, here I'm giving it a name d2, and within this div we have to give images. So img src equals to name of images r.jpg, save. So we have to set width and height of it. So here I'm giving style equals to, here giving width of 200 pixel, save. We'll copy and paste it for all the other images. R S T U and V. So here we have got all the images. Now we have to put the proper spacing in between them. For that we are going to use display property. So here with this d2 class, style equals to display property to flex, then justify content to space evenly, and one more thing we can give is align items to center. It is going to vertically align all the items. Save, and so this is our image section. Now we have to give margin here in between this text and image. So for that, here we'll be putting margin top to be here I'm giving 20 pixel. Save. So it has got a top margin of 20 pixel.